You may now take your seat for a while. Fire Inspector Vivian T. Sorbelia, Acting Municipal Fire Marshal, Lutayan Fire Station. FBRC live at the BSP campsite Takurong, Barangay New Carmen, Takurong City, Sultan Kudarat. To commence our program, may we request everyone to please stand for the invocation to the led by Fire Brigade.
Let us pray. PBAR, Superintendent Olmedo.
Of the Fire Basic Recruit Course. Now ready for your confirmation now.
Excited na po kayo? By the authority vested in me, by the President of the Philippine Public Safety College, retired Police Brigadier General Ferdinando G. Sevilla, as Acting Director of this institute, I hereby declare the Fire Basic Recruit Course Class Number 2025-137, Class PARAGSIKAN, graduates effective this day. Congratulations to you.
Thank you so much. We will now come to the distribution of certificates and FO1 Rosel Asilo, Region 12, Band Brigade. FO1 Kevin J. C. Edon, Region 12, Charlie Company Treasurer, Artist Brigade. FO1 Sherman Y. Laharami, Bravo Company Executive Officer, Region 11, Assistant. FO1 Abaco, Region 11, Artist Brigade. Dato. Raisa June B. FO1 June 4, 46%. And also producing 91.98% for being top 3 for company of all partners.
We on behalf of the Chief Administrative Graduates of the Fire Basic Recruit Course Class Number 2025-137 from Regions 11, 12, and Bangsamoro Autonomous Region, whose detached service with the NFTI PPSC terminates effective this day.
In my capacity as Regional Director of the Region 12, and in behalf of the Regional Directors of Region 11 and BAR, I hereby accept the 195 graduates of Fire Basic Recruit Course Class number 2025-137, Class PARAGSIKAN, back to the full jurisdiction of BEP Region 11, 12 and BAR. Congratulations.